Hey, it's Christmas. Not really, but it's Christmas for Charlie. Got a big box, big plywood box, came in freight yesterday. So we're going to do an unbox video here on Flywire. Stick with us. Hey, I'm Scott Perdue, and today on Flywire we're going to do we're going to take a look. This is the first installment of the Christmas for Charlie, and we're going to do we're going to unbox it. We're going to do an unboxing. Why is that a thing on YouTube? But apparently it is a thing. So we're going to do an unboxing for this thing. It's going to be a surprise. So you probably figure out what it is. So one thing I'll say is this thing is packed really well. It's a solid plywood box. I think it probably weighs 3 times what's in there. So guesses? What are my guesses as to what's in here? This is the spinner. The attachment hardware. Right there. And screws. Screws. Bag of screws. Let's put this right here. This, I assume, are the installation instruction and prop bolts. Very important. So here is the spinner for this thing. I'm afraid I'm going to have to lose my polished spinner, but there it is right there. That pretty much matches the airplane. Wouldn't it be cool to do checkerboards, red checkerboards on this thing somehow? I think that would be way cool. Let's park it in here for the time being so we don't mess it up. So there we have it, a brand new MT prop. Let's see if we can read the nomenclature on this thing. This would be handy. All right, it is an MTV 9D/210-58. That's the last bit is the blade. And the blade, whether you're doing a 2-blade or a 3-blade, is basically the same blade. So I'm just fascinated with the blade design. This one has nickel leading edges, so it'll chew through rocks and spit them out. And it's sold by Flight Resource, John Nielsen, and they were just recently bought out by McFarland. And one of the things McFarland did was they got a big warehouse for parts. I bought thousands of parts for both the Bonanza and the Cessna, in particular when I was restoring the Cessna. So I bought lots of parts from those guys, and now they own Flight Resource and the STC for a lot of these MT props here in the United States, and they warehouse them. So they got them pretty quick. You want to get a delivery, you don't have to wait for a shipment from overseas to get to you. So pretty cool. It's painted silver with that white spinner, which I think needs to be red checkerboards. So just a quick video, an unboxing. And stand by, we're going to do a hot swap for the big ass Macaulay on Charlie. I think we're going to do it on Saturday, and it's going to be fun. We're going to do a quick test. We already did a speed run with that prop on Charlie last week, so we're going to do a climb test. And once we get the climb test log, we'll come back and we'll land and we'll swap out this prop for that. We'll do a climb test with that, and then we'll do a speed run so we can cover our bases and see how it goes. Looks pretty. And I think it's about 25 pounds lighter than Macaulay's or Hartzell's. So, sweet. I hope you liked the video. It's just kind of a teaser for the next one in the series. I don't think I can put it all in one. So it's the MTV9 3-blade. We're gonna put it on Charlie on Saturday, and we're gonna test it out, and we're gonna see if it really improves things, besides looking really cool. So anyway, thanks for watching, and if you liked it, hit subscribe, hit like, I appreciate that, and subscribe really helps out. That helps out the algorithm. And let's see what else. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Flywire. Click this link for the latest upload. Click this link for whatever YouTube thinks you ought to watch. Or you can click this link to subscribe. Thanks for watching.